On now to a high-tech new security device that could be a real game changer in fighting crime. It allows property owners to appear to be at home even if they're thousands of miles away. And our Paula Tutman joins us live right now to show you exactly how this thing works, Paula.
Hi. Well, Ruth, first of all, this is an amazing partnership between really genius and community. And so this is what I want you to do. I kind of want to picture that you are away with friends for the holidays, right? And then all of a sudden, your phone alerts and it says there's somebody at your front door. You simply open up your app, accept, and then no matter where you are in the world, as long as you have your phone and data, you'll actually be able to see who's at your door and then also communicate with them. It's called Ring, and when it comes to crime and awareness, it is a game changer.
So Ring is a Wi-Fi enabled video doorbell. It streams live audio and video and lets you see and speak with guests using your smartphone from anywhere.
All you need is a Wi-Fi connection in your home and a smartphone. And of course, Ring. And no matter where you are, you can see who's at your door or who's moving around your house.
Hello?
Hello, it's August.
The gadget only costs $199 and the time you lease on the cloud. But as part of a pilot program for the City of Detroit Department of Neighborhoods, the makers of Ring donated 500 of these incredible little gadgets to block watchers as a crime deterrent.
Well, police are able to capture the video upon request to the homeowner. So if there's a criminal activity on the street, a car goes by that they may want to figure out where the license plate is, they can request to the homeowner to get a tape of their video.
Kathy just got hers.
I can be at the beach in Cancun, and if somebody's at my front door, I can answer it.
Chelsea has had hers since just before Halloween.
So for instance, yesterday, the neighborhood kid rung the doorbell and I wasn't home and I didn't get the alert. So when I go home today, I'll knock on the door to make sure he didn't need anything important.
Here's how it works. The self-install gadget has a motion detector and self-install replacement doorbell. When someone is moving around, it activates Ring. You get a notification alert on your phone and you simply address whomever.
I can't come to the door right now.
You can even see them with a camera, and they'll never even know if you are in the basement with your 800-pound Rottweiler or clear across the country. You have a visible presence as a deterrent. You know, it really is an incredible marriage of great technology and community. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say, well, how do I get into this Detroit program? They already have their 500 people. They're already doing their tests and their prototype tests, but you can still get one of these Ring devices. They are sold in stores. And of course, we're going to put a link on our website, clickondetroit.com, as well as my Facebook page, Local 4 Paula Tutman. An incredible little gadget that's completely accessible, Ruth.
Yeah, and it's not crazy expensive, Paula.
At all. I know, completely doable.
Yeah, all right, good. Thank you so much.